Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: charged battery and immediate access to settings. First, disable night shift or blue light filters. These deliberately warm the screen and cause yellow tint. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary software glitches and boot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app is imposing color changes. Make sure brightness and adaptive options are at default to avoid masking the tint while you proceed to deeper fixes. Now you dive into calibration and software resolution. Open display settings and reset the color profile or manually adjust RGB sliders. Reduce red or increase blue to correct yellow. Then update the OS and any display firmware. Outdated drivers can misreport color values. Clear cache for launcher and screen apps and test with the phone's default color profiles. If needed, run a reputable color calibration app to refine the balance. After each change, observe real content to judge improvement. Finish by ruling out hardware causes. You should check for heat damage, bent chassis, or liquid exposure. These physically alter display filters and can create yellowing. If software steps failed, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate hidden firmware corruption. Make sure to observe color during boot and in recovery to see if tint persists. If the yellow remains after reset, stop DIY repairs and contact an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.